This is 106.3 FM. Good afternoon to you. How are you doing? Oh man. We thank God for today. Another beautiful Friday is here with us again. And for real, we zooming into the weekend. Sharp cry in JJ home. Cause we can yo from one. We can do sana. Masa. Depends on your man. I just want home and crack bende. But these days now weekends and then my womb. Oh far, oh qua, oh ba. Hey. Bani na nyame ka ho a ebi. That's right. Eba tro me ma akwaba. Eba Ofie Kwanso Adom so wa Adom 106.3 FM. I say do Fridays there, Freestyle Friday. And on the show on formula bia now. Your corner said they be corner sa ni ade. But the day they come pa near try the amount. It's a free sabre akwa kopim se bebo. And you mean Luciano and you Ofie Kwanso. Yes, Freestyle Friday. A friend Jerry Justice as that can say come out so they are to 106.3 FM. Now with you Ofie Kwanso Adom sabre. As they don't come out producers no Papa Bills African. If you come out Kitty Zoom Social Live. The Dragumusa straight up till 6 p.m. Now for the news at Twasso. Your friend Moses okay. Osoro Taiwechi. It to Joe man pa by man tete men dream Yamika.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. And you're watching the trail we say we are Ankuna. That's who and this I'll surround Tawachi. Or some woman at this, you are going to hunt and say, when I would die. I'll be yes,
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
That's who and this I'll surround Tawachi. Or some woman at this, you are going to hunt and say, when I would die.
Quickly no yeah de aseda be man aboa for eboa yen dan dan nyina ma ye de offend kan ni radia ye ehihye so e wo Ofie Kwanso Adom so na ye wie ni sana enen so no who's medical catch us Fridays no freestyle what I say enti ene the spirit no be catch me say me no ho no na me no why ni sa e wa homan so e 2 days ya boat why nyabotre kra near fast that my proud sponsors no omuni mu ehwe nye Feco spray starch papa Feco spray starch yeah just out there now want to know things I want to now wow feel it and my iron here very easy cry net so you dead the go atade na ni sana de iron fast wa we o fan fast on come man come out there be we fast ba kwa na tete ne bo so nya din so odio who spray a chance na sa a nice fragrance into the two ade we are not ade no hwehwehwam obia Feco spray starch bi a kira kwan na on fan to na de now so atimi look sharp. We are another quality product from Samara Company Limited. They are available at shops and stores and supermarkets. I would want in as they do on here from Petra Trust. Or actually, maybe you are in the day. Shasia fan Yamato to Aquem. You see, we are Juma now, Busumi be on say a tonka crack to this year, said that you know. Okwa me GM1 ya tete am wedding kakra. Then so I was saying say obi o why na your tiase. Onim the state of onwane pension contributions. Enti ya we on the onim say wrong go I feel when you be ba ho so no. A be correct retirement no. Be kohwe na say na che wo employer no kra say na wontua. Enti ya say omu an wa check it. So wo employer no tier 2 contributions no otua no regularly ana. Why so no trustee? Yeah, dashing obey your lump sum benefit at the amount. You need to know. Man, try and answer. To take his advice way. No employer and casa immediately. Nothing finding out when you trustee. And then on no casa. Never verify who details need natural say BBI correct. Come up. Irregularities be one washer correctly now. Right. Say Petra phone and manage you the animal when they are very simple. You phone and know about star 447 star 70 hash with them. Nafi option 7. There be option 5. We selected option 5 and one no. Or contact details ni na what submitting now for verification with them. Wait me ako www.petratrust.com. Now be your info ni na. Further inquiries need now. Petra, achieve more. I feel fast day on Emma Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited. GT Bank the 20 Afrino. And then on a Visa International Carbon where rewarded customers are on making payment with their Visa debit or prepaid card with an unforgettable AFCON experience. 2 customers be used to more Visa cards now for a minimum of 20 online and then POS transactions now. Ebetimi we need a fun pack trip for 2. It is just a we need a partner can na ne ko makopiem wo Egypt. Wakɔhwɛ any AFCON group stage game bia of your choice. Afetie one lucky customer ebetimi anya kwanya no win the ultimate package na kasa no. Eno ene say one ne partner any omoba ene betu kwan no. Yes, mukopiem wo Egypt a. Se do se match ne be baso players no efita no mu ba de aba be pie pitch no so no. Enkola na ya na escort stars no. Na e do ba na kan obi. Tuba na chese superstar in the making. You know what I'm saying? Eti fan wo Jimbi. June July mu. What they also be use GT Bank Visa card now to do at least 1 transaction daily for a week in order to earn a pass to an AFCON viewing party. Very simple. Terms and conditions apply. For further inquiries, for 050 144 9490 and I'll 050 140 949. Your first second number beam 050 140 9480. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Finally, Kojak Pharma Limited. Ose memma o sente wana ade bi anka de enei ontwe free ho. Obi wa ontimi ndi sweet. Ade de pa. Oyeso dipena se femfem no. Oh. Anka wo bi kura se ni ade ontimi ni bi. Oyeso o fepe. Ne se be femfem ne sesi a. Obi de ade chill the pa. Ti onu se no ice cream ni ade am za ontimi. Obi so hot items ni ade ontimi consume. Ne se be femfem ne sesi a. What is our ye can for Kojak F toothpaste and then a mouthwash the amount. Use Bibia bear normal. Why? What any a severe one? A bit the ultimate dangerous pa. Momo sano. Ube use Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash. Using continuously for 4 weeks. Later now was switch to Kojak F no. Ebejai. Why? But so best result pa there. Aya use Kojak sensitive toothbrush if account. Why are you money in area? They are available pharmacy shops out across the country. The door pan or kind she drug lane. We be Kojak Pharma. And yes, our phrase 0249 209 920 and our 0260 870 780. And Kratue FDA for a mushi mwaja tumse ayo correct pa. Today's show is dedicated to all fathers. A Jan Muna and a show you on the eye. It's shown and a member show. What is it? Yeah. Congrats, Kessepa, so come on. Candidates are much BC, SMC. Yeah, the Yamiase, at the Mamunina. Someone to me, I try. Come on. Yamisha Munina, a Jumadina Modishabuno. Yamimamo, Entraswaba. You are now additional wine some ways on way. Results never banana. I some ways on way. But why you know who's you are dear? Ebe banana just all them yopo. We are praying for all of you. So we be a bear fine, dear mama. Why? Mobile fears from 1 year. Why? My farmer, my Pia Messiano. I had dreams of Cromwell. Monya Mofrapa Montrefier. Papa ko baby no se me enko so anu akọ. Yes one person no now for ko baby so daddy I'm not feeling well so okọ ya na no na for pie daddy. This the time where some mutimi yesterday. Na mu se dia brabo ne kwefa. Empanimu na mu wura na. What I say? Mo ni now. Ya mama mo ne yo my ade pa. Okay, I feel time and so. Me be phone lines now to Mrs. Me patcho o fremia de oba be ni. You are wishing your father a happy Father's Day in advance. Yes. That is what I want us to do for our fathers. And the show no a father's show. And to frepe, wish your father a happy Father's Day. Ubu Obeka say me frame papa. Hey, don't say that. Even if you don't know your father, cry now. There's somebody you can look up to in this life. I bet me I can say, wait there, may Godfather no. Wish that person a happy Father's Day. Sabi. Enye de owo ba asase sunko a eno papa. Me say metwe me o fathers bebre. Me o mothers nso bebre. I am blessed with so many wonderful mothers and so many wonderful fathers. I consider all of them as my fathers. Definitely there's somebody that you can refer to that person as your father. I want you to seize this opportunity and wish that person a happy Father's Day in advance. 0302 216 561. I say 0302 216 562. Let's do this. First caller, hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Come catch it. Where are you? Obusuma say ku apem guy you grow friends dem pu.
Wunni me.
Ke kira won fe yo.
Obere ma baku peka ogana hani.
Kaje yetio.
Bibi aboko de.
Nyame adu bibi aboko.
Wan kasa so me happy Father's Day.
Me da say.
Ayo, woni mo ani je se ma wum. Enira so ye me papa ni birthday. E fe no brighter tasare we gwantia hini ahwede ase akuapim. Eti ni man happy birthday. Some man happy Father's Day. Na me sha no ni ebenya 106.3. Na me ma me papa auto so e bi fe kwasi Gaspar o wa de so dompuni ase. Ya me awboni pombo ho ban. Ene merema o mu gana ha nyina no ka e kira ho fe me ma wo nyina happy Friday day. Ena Nyankopon me ba to Nyankopon no ache na ma me why.
Amen oh. There's a message here as I'm a fan scholar. Please kindly wish all handsome and able men a happy Father's Day in advance, especially my father Peter Kumi, Elder John Akom Asante, Pastor John Mensah Yani, and all English Assembly men. And then Kwame Obad there and I say Ampo for J and you yourself Jerry Justice. But all men should take their glory because the women they've been cheating for too long. Kumi Daniel sent in this one from Tema. Anyway, hello, next caller. Good afternoon. Hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Jerry.
Patrick Frost saying.
Kwesi Mensa, tiny driver, Winiba.
Okay, it's you.
And I feel, me, my papa, happy Father's Day. On top of Moses, you all be a Michiano.
Oh, Papa, your friend is saying.
On top of Moses.
On top of Moses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe all be a Michiana,
you.
On from Kaka. And Jerry, Jerry Nankasaso, be more happy Father's Day.
Medasimunia.
Yamisha, my pa, you know, Yamisha, I do my fafuna.
Amen.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, master.
Patrick to say.
Me now so.
Me so me ho ye pa dum ye anti. E Patrick you.
Ayawunya kuma kupichum. Tomata driver. And then me first them after from program. Did me ya minya. Nti na me receive papa Mr. Tum. Or asibusu oye di ma wa great. Ebi obi a je plan e ku. And ni nua ba ko so Accra oye chief driver e wo security. First sapon. The moment na Father's Day and wa umu out program to so. You
me da se pa. Ozzy Jerry, please wish my lovely wife a happy birthday for me. Her name is Rita Hansan from Frank. You, Franco wife Darcy. Mommy teacher, mommy papa wife. Kwabna Menza, original. I want them Menza. Our papa no da hospital now. The one day is born. AKA Psalm 41, AKA Perseverance, AKA Ehine Osiwebianye. Why Nina Kwabna? Yamisha, why? Said the Anna Metaikan, Vimna Unya, Ultimate Convisia, my friend Pomano. And no crown, Wasco 100% to radio. Yamisha, why? Happy Father's Day to you. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho, Adam, when you years old, we show Papa happy birthday, your friends and Father's Day.
Many are jam class.
Hey, not fair than I say, he's having a day. Everyone say,
a family and not family, you don't know people.
You and I eat you.
Happy birthday, call
to was to obedient birthday.
Happy Father's Day. Atemuda, I'm Atemuda.
Master Atemuda.
What's the man? Atemuda Fancy.
Atemuda Infa.
Fancy, Atemuda Fancy.
Obizu Atemuda Fashion, or not Atemuda Bakuzu or Continental Industry.
Bango come Papa Water. Friend William Ameni.
Okay.
You don't follow Goody.
You. All right, that's it. Happy Father's Day, Kesepa de Mosham, and come on, Mr. Breu. Mr. Breu, Okofodia Total 2. Meja. Nyamisha pa no nya okese wate. Akoma so ade nyina na ontie o mpaibo. Nim said ya kan nyame beye. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hi. Afternoon.
One was abey.
Oh. Where are you money on me?
Hey, Kafra, Gasan Yakos. Again, we are more aqua patriot you. Yet you.
Oh, man, no,
Sir?
It's Mother's Day, but it's any one year.
Eba, ya member no one near the Vim Shimpanzu.
Oh, Mama, do a more yaw.
And Yari, why?
Oh, my idea, yeah. One day, you almost had that book for TV, and no one can say. I remember the Bonnie Benny.
And Yari, be right.
Probably you know.
Your first year, go you.
Anyway, Papa, okay. What do we have to talk about?
Hey, bye. Hey, I'm so very great. Not. Oh, okay. Hey, but as I'm not kind of movie, it's a fact anyway. To put one now from Zao. Oh, Papa for oh, my bro. And I jackalo me on you or say, Papa, my bread. Papa, my bro, oh, my bread, Papa. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Papacho, Mr. Nobody here.
Mr. Nobody at you.
You did kind. Nyankasa. Your boss, my birthday, a common Nyankasa.
Birthday.
And your birthday, your Father's Day. A common Nyankasa. They say, me, your father. And I'm Papa back on Wakabi, your friend, Mr. Eric Adom. Your friend Papa Adante. Uba. Krobo memoir Adante ni friend ono so aka bibi but ono so we ya the background so ubokro no and after we ya bibi na nya odo be ko police station ono ni eja oye papa nti ana papa fo e wo krobo memu nyina so the bonfire mo mo sa afise sei no mo so omo ntimi hwe omo ma no mo ntimi enhwe omo ma without.
Amen. Next caller. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying.
The family boss about Junior.
What's about it you?
Maybe she Papa happy Father's Day. The brother Jamaica.
A German Santa was why.
Okay. One shame and so maybe should have happy Father's Day.
Okay.
I want to make that all should be to that. Bye.
I do. I wish the Papa happy Father's Day, but you're dear to your tour. So, or to the car, you shouldn't check right. It means a communication. Yay. Happy birthday, Uncle Jam Master J. Yeah, GMJ, baby. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Officer Sena. You know, Minchichi, hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying. Feriza Kwaba.
Yes,
Patrick, you.
That's what the pharmacy. But Uncle Mommy brought to me is be a good product for all of us. And then we still happy Father's Day in advance.
Okay.
Just kind of idea. Double the cancer. I hear one of the I saw you now. I'm pledging to see a mission with you. I say, Uncle Mommy, I'm head pastor. Pastor Patrick Simpon. A mission with you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. We fear Emilia. A sample on chain. Or say encore Emma ne papa. Or we should happy Father's Day in advance. Happy Father's Day in advance. And come Mr. Emmanuel Ayesu a sample. High Court Judge Ewo Sugakope or a former law lecturer Ewo All Nations University College and former lay chairman of the Methodist Church Kofridia Diocese was also a former law lecturer or Kofridia Technical University Papa Bobra currently or a High Court Judge was Sugakope. Mr. Emmanuel Ayesu Isampo. Nyame onsha no yoke say happy Father's Day. If you wow baba. Emilia Nenchen. Five minutes after 4. Yeah, fuck a crank because Father's no I say you're special.
Hello, Jolly.
Yes.
Hey, then come from Cambodia.
Yes, sir.
Me Jasusa, the come picking me there and can get me the bed show. Was in the bed show.
Money now.
Who's that?
All right, you do.
You, me, Papa Fudina, happy birthday. We are the Father's Day.
I don't know now about my birthday.
When I'm about say, yeah, can quiet noon. But you, it's remember deeper life. I saw funny happy Father's Day in advance. Deeper life, especially FW Kui, the top of penny. Now back 25 for a branch, Amico, Pastor Paul, and I feel so a regional overseer, or also me channel Pastor Gucci, channel, and I feel so a Pastor Peter, come to one, also me channel, and now I saw for Nina, my man of Wogan and Nina, Papa Food, good fathers who, or Muna Michel, and your mom kidnap Pala, and in the Panomo, Papa for common count, or me out. You, a laugh. So, of some of what can happen around town. One is saying to me.
Wait, bye bye, and Kofan, and Kofan before. Jerry, tomorrow is my birthday, but unfortunately, you're not going to be on the radio tomorrow. So please wish me a happy birthday in advance. Lizzie Warrior Kimoda, and then a happy birthday in advance to you, Lizzie. I'll say happy Father's Day in advance on some comma. All fathers in answer. Okay. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Patrick Frost, eh?
You're very Maxwell.
Max, you.
Me got free UK. Me tia you. Me tia do for Bibia.
Yeah, Joseph.
Me papa happy Father's Day in advance. Your friend Mr. Emmanuel Bagna, Ewon Koko. And akwa jofo nyina memo mu akwa jo nyina ne trado nyina obi bia ele jere wan kasa
yo that's it
madam for akwa e fe na wuwa on oyicho longo john she honum me man happy Father's Day as one
and then actually say me am offer
me am bi you say me
okay
we are video I check up your friend say oba dia mami
all right obeti all right
I get this for bia
okay bye bye and then I'm offer you happy Father's Day to you now happy Father's Day and come Kwesichum CEO of the Multimedia Group Papa no Katie. I mean, shall be brave. There be my no friend was saying, can and then 3 days ZP. Say, me was be brave. And I is Jande, it me cano, me was be brave. And I'm sure be brave. Okay, Yami shall pee. Happy Father's Day, and call me in-law. Kwesi Ansa Woye Akim Apreman Frank Enediwe Ebae. Yeah, trust me, I say happy Father's Day to the late Paul Kwesi Ayisi Kwabena Ejare Dankwa, CEO of Metallics, and then Oboba Group, and then Da Kujo of Nkoko Central Market, Nana Ansa Obofo, NSNDW. Madam Gladys, aka Adomame, Otema Community One Market. Oba Evans Adotete. Also, we show happy birthday in advance. Nyami Admochna, hey, your birthday. Eti happy birthday, Kesepa, and come out. Afe happy birthday. Enko Emma Mr. Azu. Otema Community 2, aka Zule. Poppy Wai Nina Yamisha. Na on saying shira obi. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to my own father, Mr. Stephen Opoku Yafe of Nkranza. Not forgetting my in-law, Mr. J.K. Nketia of Bethel Methodist Church Committee 8. Great Yafe. And I can see I see we were friends from primary school, and we sometimes fight after school. When I include your name in the talkative list to miss take for punishment, you were cool, hardworking, and God-fearing. Now, through your hard work and God-fearing, you are the CEO of K Ofori Limited. In fact, I wasn't surprised at all when I first heard you were the brain behind that company nationwide. As you celebrate your birthday tomorrow, the 15th of June, 2019, I wish you a happy birthday in advance. May the good Lord continue to bless you with all the blessings that you deserve. Amen. And happy Father's Day in advance to you as well. We Ify Kennedy Osafo Jenny Enchen or the Emma Kiofuri of Kiofuri Limited. Say limited though. First Kiofuri Enterprise. Kiofuri, happy birthday in advance to you. Yamisha no yokese. Mr. Alex Ankoma Kisi, our district of Germany. Papa, mema, happy Father's Day in advance. What? Yaminyo kese pa. Mr. Godwin Tamaklu, our Puma Energy. Meja, happy Father's Day to you in advance. where did you on for an area? Someone you did to your home I will feel consume mediation. War Brofoka 7 and 7 say in life you will need someone to talk to, someone who listens, and someone who understands. But be careful whom you discuss your personal issues with. I say we nyame adom Monday e beto aso na the final one about Tuesday nyame adom na etinkomu a ba ne de na yehwe no. Or say in life you will need someone to talk to, someone who listens, someone who understands. But be careful whom you discuss your personal issues with. Obra kwantue yi a utui Ediya ubehia obi ya woni ne bedi nkomo, ubehia obi ya obetimi asusu asem ho akire no, ubehia obi ya obetimi naka asumosem, ubehia obi a obetie wasem, because any nipa nyina na tie o atoda. When you are in trouble and you are talking to somebody just the all kind of crowd want to, that person won't give you that listening ear. But there are some people, they will listen to you. You will need such people. Sometimes you say there's that particular person. That person, when you talk to him or her, he understands what I say. But you know, as some say, Mawani na ho na yahwe ye obia woni ne beka wasuma asem o personal issues wan kasankasa wo ho asem we fa ho yanka obia ni mu nko na wonim what you are going through. But in this situation, in this life, said there some can catch you need someone to talk to. Obi obeti o, obi obeto wase. Enti aden ya obebi e wano akasa. But why and now ni susu sa asem no? Why na wo ka wo hia asem na kire no? Why and na wo ka okoko mu asem a kire no? Esese o ma wani da ho. Na ne nto aso no. Ebeba nyame ya adom ejoda. Na de edi be wie kura no. Aba ebenada. Na che say the wesi. Tisisi and the enfan konkon hansa. You're very careful. The people you discuss your personal issues with. Nemo any now. So as than yedema MTN. And they MTN free after one who suji den. Yeah, man for enjoy party more thing. And they saying, Udi you phone keke, nefre wado for a person from no bonkomo. Uguswana wokasano. The first minute of your call and open hoka on MTN free after one. The rest of your call are absolutely free. Samsung will enjoy 50 MB data free at their browser favorite site now. So just go on, pick up your phone and dial *315# to sign up now. Now so MTN free after one Odonwa Jimbi. We there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Roma insecticide spray. Effectively, it kills mosquitoes and all other crawling and then flying insects instantly. No kuom. Assure me say grebe. Na ayes adwuma na wi no. Na ja nice and pleasant fragrance. E wo dem wonum. After use no. Na who na come pass we use fresh na no. As no tontom na wu pra wo ne ade ade. What you say? ne kwa no so mfam wisie bia ma ne de kata ne headache ne ade bia ba be tete mu wono ma itipacho pebie kira kwan na yusu na obehu sampa ye wo insecticide spray and ye wo Roma insecticide spray and then a coil. You deserve the best. Go for Roma insecticide spray and coil all the time. Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil. And Tonton Master, we are another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Yeba to aso akwa anim. Na ye to aso akwa anim yi. Ye to aso akwa anim yi. Na ye de nkomo kakra bi ene enum. Tew. Na manfo kekanka. Na dum na mo na mo video for Mother's Day do na mo ye de sa na Father's Day ne so. Weekend ye ne Father's Day so hia so. It will have papa baby keke ne ade a ho. Very simple so. Minim de tia slang ko for say ade no. Ye me say de no e. O de adwa nhira wa. Adwa Jerry. Bibia boko de. Ai bibia boko. Ye janom no ye do mo pa na. Mama ndi kan wish you happy Father's Day. Thank you.
Me wish Papa Bills. Happy Father's Day in advance. The woman is a Father's Day. Omumpo. Yebedi. Ejanum esum yebo. Anye ye no da me ka say yesi dia obema ye no ba betimi aye. But ade ba ko pe ene nyame ye ya. Oba wo ya bema ya oba wuntimi nye.
Yeah.
When him say to me ye di produce emma no. Nyame wanfa ma emma.
Dabi.
Ode ma mema. Enti da me ka say wo ye oba na so wo be kan na ya to so. Na wo be shelegis di abda. Abushia committee a ube unsa ube catchery because ube uno bia to oba time refraining man but I want to be unsa say wukunu but very important.
Yes.
So what I say enti ejanum mosombo enye mo a anka ye ni wiase as much as ejanum binom ahokyere nti omo entimi nyo masede no ejanum bi so fata se bebo ma baso enti no kwasiada yes, celebrating a janum all over the world. What I say? And here chief executive.
Yeah.
Kwasichum. Your man happy Father's Day. Na like bamuni and penny inform we multimedia memena. You say happy Father's Day in advance. But the air can is a kwasiada. For papa bra.
Yeah.
Na yen celebrate so who tie me now we a taxi driver trotro driver fitani men's fellowship ahodo eku ahodo eyem mema kwasi ada yese mo meka ye ho ewo Adom FM ana Joy FM ye nim heye ye park kakrakai ni kansem ni say ye portrait free screening e dia ma mema nyina o mo be ha
mema
won say
so bia be check mo hu
ebinu madwen ye o mo say enkokora pe
dabi
prostrate but prostrate no enne nansa enhwehwemu kire sa brante bia wadi 30 years
Yehowa
ono kra no na wanya prostrate enlargement enti ya fa to ye ho so say kwasiada wo de wo kwa story point ya 1 o'clock eni asase bra na ye screening free on prostrate ye show na wanya prostrate enlargement ye wadro ye be ma obi se ebia wo sa say wo betimi anya bi no light say bia wo betimi anya bi wani nda ye wadro nso a ye be ma wa e be bon
prevent say de ma
what I say enye no nko a eja no be ba banu aduane jari aduane fe na wonim nua pa wo bia se wonim aduane nua pa o
me bibia minim
wo edan me kan se ye kokwa wo nua aduane pa
abenkwan na minim ye
enti jari aduane be na be ba banu Father's Day
me pesa me ka de me but e bia don so oni aduane no aye ka se no bibia betimi an
very good
enti don be ka se me no bia me
no enti no emema be ba banu aduane enye mankwa no monsa no bo emema bi nsa no bo pa enti emema be ba banu aduane ye be ye aduane no akansie obi onim se de esi bomra ne samra ne ye de be ye akansie ni nyina chade bebre wo
diapers me nim bo pa
somebody challenge afiwe ye mo diaper last year ne bo diaper afiwe ye mo diaper afiwe ye be arm wrestling ye be ye dancing competition ye be singing competition chese akansie ahodo ye bisa dwumedi ahodo ye di wa ha wo yi anu ya ma wa chede but on the whole no ye be crown the man of the day enti wo de fa wo papa bra Uba aduane yɛbɛma mo aduane yɛbɛma mo nsanom ewi a yɛyɛ free screening na mamo na kyerɛ sɛ nneɛma bebree a ɛbɛma wo papa ani agye yɛngye hwee when is a multimedia de yɛyɛ nneɛma dodoɔ na yɛnhyɛ da ngye hwee yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ celebrating mɛmɛ nyina even wo yɛ bɛɛma na sɛ wabusua kora yi wutwetwene wo ma agya wo gyegya mu a wo de bra multimedia se bra yɛ bɛ celebrate wo enti kwasiada obi a utie mi a wo yɛ bɛɛma bɛka yɛ ho
munna monya wa na mfa mo ho nyim ɛna onim adwama me ka de ba ko we an example from me papa Kwabra Mensa etina mama hu
papa Kwabra Mensa
papa Kwabra Mensa
papa Kofi Mensa
ene na oh me papa de bia mama hu na me de tutu ya na hu sa ampa fathers ni bebre na so te sa unum say Mother's Day no ewum say mofra no celebrate o ma me no but de ye ma ekine ye demo no say enanom na nkasa no feel so good to be celebrated so they get involved but unum say fathers no me papa yetimi plania come na ye say so musumunya na de no sika say munya o enye ya mu fathers we ya de amom person ba we ye catch up this Sunday papa phone na mo fam ho hyem na de nye de father bia oba be invite so de oba program ni bi wo multimedia no me patcho bra men ka say na de da bi come we are inviting all of you mo fam ho hyem na Father's Day celebration so no enye kama pa
ade ya reho ni say meme super meme super but ase yenye society no we ye bema na wo sukra ye hu ye se bema nsu me se we ye bema enye manko na wo se celebrate wo we ye ja tie me se kwasiada wo de wo ba mfa wo makra bra me ankasa me se bra na me celebrate me pese me celebrate meme nyina wo wiase afa na nyina wo betimi atwa ticket afia brochire kra ba wo de bra na me celebrate me wi a me sanja ko na ko na ye pamucho emrantie na moye janom no young fathers emrantie no moye janom no well this is the time monya akwanya say mumma yehu say mon so ye janom
I mean in our time sa ade no ye change no so what I say that notion was say Father's Day in celebration na mother say your time
celebration
some because now no I can confidently say young fathers neighbor they are very good very
weekend
masa
no mo mabo mo
ko no
and yes eja no mo yire no mo wo na onya na wotwa no ma hye white shirt obisa na akwan osi o meyire awo afi we dia nhye white shirt se wo yire na awo me se hye white shirt na kwasiada be hia ye e wo multimedia ye Joy FM animo ye pack tetre no so ba ye be hwe wo nipedi ye be hwe wo jonsom ye be check prostrate wo bia ye be ma wadro wo nyanya bi so ye be ma wadro ye be bo ho ban na akansi ani ma hodo ye be no chese bra na wo nso be sire fa wo be shem eti jari me fa kwanya so as I wish show happy Father's Day in advance when Papa Bills any yempanyin fo e wa adwuma mu nyina eti kwasiada yebehia me nkyerɛ aduane a bɛ no ba behia Papa Bills o twitwa je na anya asem ketwa
o twa den sada oh my goodness good afternoon encore Emma Auntie Emma oh yes interest opamo ade kama pa na utie Ofie Kwanso papa all the time. We so appreciate you Auntie Emma. Wishing you happy weekends. Nyamisha no nyoke se why ana adwa mi tuche ma
and Kobe Bia. Justice.
Thank God it's Friday.